Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the quickest, highest yield steps. Go to Settings, Open Apps, locate Google Play Store, and then force Stop. This halts any stuck process. Once stopped, clear the cache and then clear app data for Play Store and Google Play services to remove corrupted temporary files. After clearing, reboot the Samsung to refresh system services and reconnect to Wi-Fi or mobile data. This ensures the Play Store restarts cleanly and often fixes the error immediately. Once your device is restarted, open Play Store app settings and uninstall updates. Reverting can remove a problematic update. After that, check for available updates to Google Play services and the Play Store in settings so you can install a stable replacement. Next, verify system date and time and correct them if wrong, because Google services reject mismatched times. Finally, ensure your Google account sync is active and that Play Store has required permissions. These steps let the store authenticate and function properly. If the problem persists, remove your Google account from Settings accounts, then reboot and re-add it to refresh authentication tokens. This often resolves sign-in related crashes. If that fails, boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is causing the Play Store to stop. Uninstall recent apps if safe mode fixes it. As a final measure, back up your data and perform a factory reset because corrupted system data can cause persistent failures. Tip: if errors continue,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.